Hi everyone, TXtutor here. Today I'm going to teach you how to evaluate improper integrals. To evaluate improper integrals, we have 4 steps. Step 1, make sure it really is improper, as in it does not exist or one of the limits is infinity. I'm about to work an example so then you'll fully understand. Step 2, set it up with a limit. Step 3, integrate. And step 4, apply that limit. Let's work an example. That's my favorite way to explain things. So let's see. We're going to do the integral from 4 to infinity of 2 over x to the third power dx. Now the reason this is improper is because it has an infinity. If an integral is evaluated to an infinity, whether on the top or the bottom or plus or minus infinity, it's improper, or if it doesn't exist. If 0 was between infinity and 4 here, we couldn't do this properly because then this bottom part would equal 0, and we can't divide by 0. So I'll explain that in the next video when I do more examples. But anyway, so what's our first instruction for this? Make sure it's improper. We did that. There's an infinity. Step 2, set it up with a limit. Okay. So what that means, really, this expression here can't really exist. You can't evaluate an integral to an infinity because infinity isn't a number. You can't plug it in. So what we do is the limit as b approaches infinity of the integral, except we replace the infinity with a b. So basically we're saying that goes to infinity. It approaches infinity. Okay, now what's our next step? Integrate. Okay, so I'm just going to rewrite this so we can integrate it. This is 2x to the negative 3. Okay, now let's integrate. So when we integrate, we still have the 2, and then we have x, and we add 1 to the exponent, which makes actually negative 2. Sounds kind of counterintuitive, but that's what it is. And we divide by that new exponent. Cross cancel the 2's, and we end up with the limit as b approaches infinity of negative 1 over x squared, and we evaluate that from 4 to b still. Okay, now we're ready to plug in, we're ready to expand this, in other words. So let's see here, we have limit as b approaches infinity. Remember, what does this equal? This equals the expression evaluated to b minus the expression evaluated to a. So we have negative 1 over b squared plus, because minus to minus, 1 over 16, right? Now we're going to plug our limit in. So b goes to infinity. What does that make it? We have negative 1 over infinity, basically. Infinity squared is infinity. And that equals 0. So then all we have left is the 1/16th. And that's our answer. So we say that this integral converges. It has a value. Alright, so I'm going to make a new video with 2 more examples of how to evaluate improper integrals. So be sure to watch those. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you.